So Kabir asked me about my childhood. I was very, very fortunate. Very fortunate. I was born in a house. My parents were one of the ideal parents that one can have. My father was part of the most elitist service then in the country. It was the ruling class of that time. That was the civil service of Pakistan, and they were known as CSPs, the successors of the Indian civil service. And unfortunately, since from the very early time, constitutionalism in Pakistan could not progress because of interventions by those